In a bit of a departure from our normal videos, I wanted to share with you the outcome of a campaign that we've supported through Vet Tales, the world's only sailing vet clinic. While living aboard a 37-foot monohull sailing vessel Chuffed, Dr. Shetty and Jim are providing free veterinary care to animals as well as veterinary outreach programs to communities that would benefit from them most. We first came across their work earlier this year and really appreciated the realistic and sensible approach that they take to providing care to animals in need. Our part of their story takes us to Puerto Madero, which is found in one of the most impoverished, under-resourced areas in Mexico. Living there while completing a refit on Chuffed, the Vet Tales team realized that more could be done to help the community and local animals if the number of stray and abandoned animals could be reduced. Working with the local veterinarian, Dr. Brenda, and a regional veterinary team, they facilitated and funded the region's first ever spay and neuter campaign. Since that first campaign, there have been an additional 7 clinics, supported by Vet Tales with funding donated by people like us, and facilitated through the hard work of Dr. Brenda and her team. People like Dr. Brenda have the passion and desire to help the animals in their community, but need external support to gain access to the resources and income required. As a result of the campaign, over 300 animals in this area alone have received surgery, including cats, dogs, and even the odd rabbit. One of the most common reasons for animal abandonment is pregnancy, as people just don't have the resources to care for the additional animals. By preventing pregnancy, these clinics help to keep animals in their homes and off the streets. It also prevents the spread of a sexually transmitted cancer called TVT, something dogs die from frequently in the Puerto Madero region. During the clinic we supported, 2 female dogs with TVT were identified, which are now receiving chemotherapy with the funding, 2 dogs that otherwise would have died. Dogs are an animal we have a particular affinity for, and we absolutely adore our 4-year-old Australian Shepherd Rose. Having her in our lives has made a significant difference to our mental health during the ongoing warranty issues we've experienced, and we're happy to be supporting Vet Tales in helping other owners give their beloved pets better care. It should be evident from our channel that we value integrity, honesty, and just doing the right thing. And Vet Tales are making a real difference in the world. They're not just feeding a random stray or posting on Facebook about rehoming. They're setting up sustainable programs, providing life-saving surgeries and vaccinations, and helping support the work and improve the skills of local veterinarians. We hope that one day our paths will cross in real life, but until they do, we want to continue supporting their work. So if you look in the description, you'll find links to the Vet Tales website, and of course you can always check them out on YouTube and keep up to date with their latest adventures and veterinary projects.